Greetings, members one and all of the Salivation Nation. Platinum supply is in deficit, and yet the prices are still low. Does this mean it's a good opportunity to buy some platinum? Is there a short-term gain to be had by accumulating some? We'll explore all those questions. This article comes to us from Coin World, and is actually brought to my attention by Donald in New Mexico. Against an overall supply of 1,850,000 ounces of platinum during the first quarter of 2018, platinum demand reached 1,975,000 ounces, creating a 125,000 ounce supply deficit for the quarter. So it looks like there's a lot more demand for platinum nowadays, but the prices are still pretty low. The World Platinum Investment Council reports that global platinum supply relative to demand was in a deficit during the first 3 months of 2018. Despite that, compared to the final 3 months of 2017, investment demand was down 26%. The U.S. Mint has yet to announce when it plans to offer the 2018 American Eagle 1-ounce platinum bullion coin to its authorized purchasers, or how many coins will be made available. The Mint quickly sold out of its 2017 allocation of just 20,000 coins, with the buying public wanting more. Against an overall supply of 1,850,000 ounces of platinum, overall platinum demand reached 1,975,000 ounces during the first quarter of 2018 from automotive, jewelry, industry, and investment sectors, creating a 125,000 ounce supply deficit. So you think about it, that's really not a lot of platinum. When you think of the whole grand scheme of things, platinum is a very rare above ground metal. Total mining supply was recorded at 1.4 million ounces during the first quarter of 2018, with South Africa leading the way with 985,000 ounces. The mining supply was 220,000 fewer ounces than the 1.62 million ounces reported as the fourth quarter of 2017 mining supply total. The overall supply of 1.85 million ounces, including supply from recycling scrap, jewelry, industrial applications, and automotive catalytic converters, was down 290,000 ounces from the same measure in the fourth quarter of 2017. There's two things to think about here, and that is that platinum is in competition with palladium for the market with catalytic converters and the like. They're very similar in the platinum metals group. Platinum is much more dense than palladium, but nonetheless they are kind of in competition. Palladium is actually now more expensive than platinum. Palladium is also, I believe, more rare. And it should be noted that the in-ground supply of platinum is actually more than gold, but the above-ground rarity of platinum is much more than that than gold, because it's much more difficult to extract platinum from the ground than it is gold. And palladium, I assume, is kind of the same measure, but palladium is well over it's higher than platinum, up close to $1,000, been hovering around there for a while. But I remember when palladium was much cheaper. I remember buying it when it was $167 an ounce. Pretty crazy. And I remember buying platinum when it was $1,400 an ounce and higher. And of course we know that platinum and palladium at one time did get way up there. But nonetheless, those metals, and with platinum being where it is and with supply being where it is, does that mean it's an opportunity? Is there an opportunity in platinum for us as a potential investment possibility? Will it, could it in the short term potentially skyrocket? And since it is a fringe precious metal like palladium and rhodium, then that means it's more volatile, and it's really seen more as an opportunistic metal, or dare I say investment. Yes, platinum is used in coins, and it's not used as much in coins and for a bullion as is gold or silver. Obviously, it doesn't have the history that gold or silver has, but it has enough of one that people are seeing it as sort of not only a way to protect their investments, but to diversify their portfolios as a way to hedge in some ways, because platinum, like gold and silver, does react to the dollar index, but it also is more volatile and used for industrial purposes and the like, and because it's being coined and the like. So, does that mean that platinum could be a potential for the future to really gain some traction and further, with this case being supply and deficit and with demand, if that trend continues and demand outpaces supply, well, the world will recognize and utilize more platinum, and who knows? It could mean that a platinum could regain its crown in the world of precious metals. And you think about platinum. Platinum is one of those metals where it has even infiltrated the culture of today, especially with certain criteria in measuring achievement, and certain plans. You've got the bronze plan, you've got the silver plan, you've got the gold plan, you've got the platinum plan. You have gold credit cards, and you have platinum credit cards. So it does have that aura about it, that it is a step above gold because it's more rare. Will there be palladium plans? Who knows? I think people get confused there when you think of those metals because it's part of the platinum metals group with the rhodium, palladium, and platinum there. But very interesting, fascinating indeed. What are your thoughts? Do you think there's a chance or a potential here with platinum? Me being a bit more conservative in where I put my money, I have been accumulating a bit more platinum. You've seen it in some of the recent unboxings I've done, but not a whole lot. My guess is that it still is a fringe precious metal. If we see this demand continue, and especially with accumulating blanks for the U.S. Mint for their Platinum Eagle program, or Canada and other mints continue to produce platinum bullion coins in increasing numbers and higher mintages, well, then I'll take a look at it, maybe accumulate a bit more. But I don't think even platinum will replace gold or silver as the ultimate hedge against economic instability. So again, post your thoughts below. I'd like to extend the multitude of gratitude to y'all for watching and encourage you to please rate, comment, and subscribe.